Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Christmas unicorn. So let's get started. To draw this Christmas unicorn, let's first start by drawing a big oval for the nose and mouth area. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. Big curve all the way across. And we're going to round it off. And connect at the bottom. There, nice big oval. And then I'm going to come in here and just going to draw two small little ovals right here at the top for the nostril area. Nice and light. And then a big smile right here at the bottom. So say about right here. Just going to go ahead and draw a big smile and cap it off. Already looks like a little face, right? Okay, so then now let's go ahead and draw a big circle for the eyes. So touching this oval right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw this big oval. A big circle. It's really hard to unsee that smile in there, isn't it, once I've mentioned it? Okay, so I got one big circle and another one right here. Just going to drag this point across, make sure about the same height since it's so big. And bring it together. There, two big circles. Now let's come in and make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So thank you cuties for loving all the Christmas art, holiday art that I've been drawing for you so far this year. And thank you for requesting that I draw a Christmas unicorn. I really appreciated those requests. And I really hope you love how this unicorn turns out. And that it inspires you to draw it too. Okay, so same thing at the bottom. And then let's come to the eyes to the side right here and just spruce it up a little bit with some lashes. I'm just going to pop out two curves. Same thing over here, nothing too fancy, just two curves and then one more. There. Now let's draw her face right here. So I'm going to come to say the center of my circle. Just come to the center, come out a little bit. I'll just give myself a point. From there I'm going to be drawing a curve that comes right underneath here. So the center, about right there. I give myself a point and I'm just going to pop it out a tiny bit. Just for the cheek area. There. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There. Okay, so now from there I'm going to come to this point I've started and I'm going to go a little bit straighter. So just a little bit up. So the reason I'm doing that is because I want to kind of create this cheek a little bit. If you're not comfortable doing that, you can just make a smooth curve. So that's the same thing here. I'm just going to go a little bit straighter and up, just so we can pop up some cheeks. Okay, so then from there, we're pretty much at the same level. We're going to start to draw all the stuff at the top. So come to the center and just imagine this head, the unicorn, everything's going to be about about right here. So I'm going to come to the center in this area and I'll just start with a bow. So right in the center, I'm going to start with a circle and then 2 big loops. So nice and high because we want to fill in that area and bring it in. So same thing in here. So nice and high. And down, connect, then come in here, the center, some detail. I'm just thickening the ends just to make it fancier. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come to the center again, go straight up and about right here. I'll just round off the tip for our horn and bring it straight, bring it angled down on both sides. And let's come right here and we're just going to draw some curved lines for some detail. And then right here underneath this bow, we're going to draw some of her mane. So I'm just going to add about right here, I'm going to put in a strand. So I'm going to curve it out right under her bow, bring it out about right here above her eye and just connect it. So that's the main stuff you want to draw first, and then I'm going to come in here with some detail, just bring in some curves right here just to separate it. You can add some color to her mane. Now to fancy it up with all these Christmas flowers. So I've decided to add some of these poinsettia winter flowers. So I'm going to do it right here. So when I draw this flower, I'm just going to kind of put it in this area to fill up this space. So just keep that in mind. So I'll come about right here and I'll start. If these are too hard for you to draw, you can just draw any flower. It really doesn't matter. It's just the colors that we want to add for winter. So I'm just drawing the center, just some circles in the center, and then I'm going to start to draw the petals. So they're just like leaves, basically. Nice and big in this area. You just want to fill up this space. You can come in here lightly. And whatever space you have left, you can add some leaves. Maybe one here. Oh, and I forgot. Let's draw a curve above each eye before I forget. So about right here. There. And then now let's, we can add another leaf right here just to fill up the space. And then let's do the same thing over here. So just imagine there's another flower right here. So we won't see much of it. So maybe about right here. I'll just add 2 small circles so we know that's the center of our flower. And I'll just come out just like the other side. There, add in another flower, and once again, whatever space you have left, just go ahead and add some leaves. Maybe one here. It's going to be so pretty once you color it all in. Okay, so now we pretty much filled in the space. I'm going to come in and pop in the ears. So I think I need another leaf right here. That way I don't have to draw too much of the ear. And let's fill in this, whatever space I have left. Okay, so let's pop in the ears. Imagine this. So the ears will be coming out about right here. Round off the tip and just bring it, oops, bring it in. Simple ear. It's complicated enough already, right? Okay, so let's do the same thing on the other side. So right here will be the ear. It's gonna pop out about right here. So just like right here. Just remember, same thing. So about right here I'll pop out, and right on this bow area, about right here, I'm just gonna drag this point across. So I'm about the same height. and round it off and in. And once again, the inside. There. Okay, so take a look at your decorations up here. If you feel you need something more up here, you can add some, maybe some holly berries. You know what, let's do that later. I'm not sure if I want to add more yet. Let's come back down and draw the scarf and the body. So I'm going to center this. I'm going to come about right here. I'll take a look later. See if I need to add more. I wish I could hear you. Let me know. Don't add more, add more. They're just going to draw a curve right across for a scarf. And then I'm going to start the body. So come right here. And we're going to pop this out slightly. And let's come down a little bit more. We're just drawing very simplified body for our unicorn here. And about in this area, I'm going to go curve and curve right in the center. Just find my center, and then for the legs, front legs, about right here, work on this side first, and about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect. And let's do the same thing over here. From there, let's come about right here. I'm going to add a curve for the hoof. And then let's draw the back legs. So about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve, kind of like a circle oval, and bring it all the way around. And let's come right here, and I'm going to add another curve. And about right here, let's add a slight curve to connect. So same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this point across, right there, to draw our circle oval and connect. And once again, just like the other side, we're going to come right here and draw another curve. And just like the other side, we're going to add this curve right here to connect everything, and curve. There. And then in the center, whatever space you have left, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and add a slight curve. There. Okay, so then now let's draw the tail. So I'm going to come about right here in this area, and I'll just draw a curve that comes down, flick it up. Maybe we'll just draw 2 of these, and 1 more, and tuck it all in. And then for some details, so you can add some color, let's about right here, connect this strand, and then let's add some more strands. 1 more. There. Okay, so then now to draw, finish off the scarf, let's come about right here, and I'll just bring in a tail of our scarf right here and connect it. And then some of the tassels at the bottom. I'm just kind of drawing at a curve to give it some movement, and of course some detail. So let's draw some curves right here for some stripes on our scarf. And so notice I'm kind of going this way, and then as I draw on this side, I'm going the other way. And on this part right here, we can add a curve, and I'm going to put a heart right here on our scarf. And then kind of made it too high, huh? Okay, and another curve right there. And let's see. So now that I look at it, maybe I'll add some more stuff here. I think I need something. So I'll come in here and just pop in some holly berries. So just maybe 3 circles right here. And I'll just add some leaves. If you want to draw the holly berry leaves, you can go ahead as well. I just want some nice soft leaves, so I'm not drawing the holly berry leaves. So same thing here. Don't want pointy leaves. So let's see, does that make it better? I think so, right? It just makes it more full. And straighten this part up a little bit more and then pop it out. There. That is pretty much it for this Christmas inspired unicorn, and thank you for the request, cuties, to draw this for you. And I really hope you loved this and you had fun following along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.